Please see here, command prompt. See, if you see logistic R, so notepad space logistic Python. This is a program. Okay. Now I am executing Python space logistic r.py. Now see, I am getting the output value. Yes, coefficient value is 39. Predicted test score for 12 hours study. Okay. Next program, Python program to perform support vector machine SVM classification using iris data from scikit-learn library. Now I am going to execute. See, scikit from sklearn import data sets. I am importing through data from this sklearn. From scikit-learn, I am using selection. Then from sklearn, I am importing support vector classifier from sklearn metrics. And first I am loading the iris dataset. Load iris dataset, split the dataset into training and testing data, then create an instance of the SVM classifier with a linear kernel, SVM, SVC support vector classifier, then train the classifier on the training data, evaluate the accuracy of the classifier. Now see, now I am executing support vector machine. So clear the screen, Python space SVM iris. So this is now I am executing. See, I got it is classified into 100%. Okay. So same way I am executing next program. Top 10, at least top 10 programs, KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithm. First we are loading the iris data set, split data into training and test sets, create KNN classifier with K. Number of classes are 3, fit the classifier to the training data, predict the classific classes of testing data, evaluate the accuracy of classifier. Now see the, I am going to execute KNN, Python space KNN iris. So it is giving output 93.33%. Next program, top 10 algorithms, please keep in mind. Next, decision tree. Okay. So next program, same way, I am executing. See, Python space PT iris decision tree. It is giving 93.33%. Same, this algorithm. Next, a naive Bayes classification, NB, naive Bayes classification. Then followed by the random forest. Then followed by the neural networks. Then followed by clustering. K means, see, I am going to execute the top 10 algorithm. K means clustering. Clear the screen. Python space. K means 1. Python space. K means. So now it is executing. See now, my screen is visible. Hello, my dear friends.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so many applications I have executed, so many applications. How much time is there? Hello, madam. Anika madam, she's there?
20 minutes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm here.
So still 20 minutes, no problem. So I am going to demonstrate various applications now. See, weather forecasting data and clustering data